Let me out.
Remember that horror movie forever ago that like took place in the elevator and it was a grandma was a demon?
It is. Oh, yo, yo, yo,
Kind
yo,
of a
yo.
funny word to draw. Yeah, I was trying to do that, but you were going, yeah, my buttons.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, portion? Oh, I was gonna say ocean.
Ah. Watch
All
this
right.
one. Watch this one. Watch this one.
Hold up. Let's go.
Hey,
Just reset it all.
you just took
Okay,
mine. Corporation.
Ah. You know who we need to call?
I got a mop. Might a mop useful? Bro.
It's a secret message from space.
Got a
Who do you
rag.
call? Martin.
Huh. Huh.
Okay, so there's that one. Floor 6 has that circular puzzle which has the dots filled in on the floor. Hey, could you saw that real quick?
Oh, that looks hard.
Does it? Is it bad? Do the lights light up more?
No, they don't light up. They just rotate.
Oh! Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
That looks bad. That's another different floor. Different floor.
Alright, Andrew, it's been fun. I'm out of here.
Must the space between our thoughts.
Space between our thoughts.
Hey, I got this
that's
briefcase. It might be useful.
Yeah.
Don't click everything. Don't take my banana. Button. Key.
Good lord.
What is this?
What's up, floor 2? No. Floor 2 ain't working.
Wait, look what I got.
What you got? Oh. I don't like that sticky note. That's not a good sticky note. There's also something going on in the window as we go up and down. Who put trash can in the elevator?
The elevator still has not been fixed. Press 2 3 times. Whoa. Whoa. Secret passcode here. Press 2
Okay.
3 times quickly, and then press the button -1 to go to the second floor. 2 2 -1. 2 2 2 -1.
Oh.
Second floor moment.
Holy moly. Alright, I'm doing it. There's also a code outside. When we go up and down, there's a code on the window outside. Holy moly, I don't like this.
So the inside is
this
all
is-
blue, and the bottom right is all blue. It's actually not that hard.
Okay,
Right?
go ahead.
What is the triangle
talk.
for?
It's just orientation.
Orientating?
saying- Yeah.
Let me just do
So
like
bottom
this.
right and center is blue.
Oh, I see. Then you just do like that, and then like kind of like one of those, and maybe like some of these, and then like holy moly, I fucked it. Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Yeah, hello, Mr. Reddit. He found Einstein. He's in my video game.
Wait, look at this. I'm getting farther from where I need to be.
Guys, it's Mr. Reddit.
Something is happening. What is it? I do not know.
Good gravy.
Is that a line piece?
Line.
Yeah, what if you just hit reset there? That would have been hilarious.
That really would have been actually.
Yo, what's up on the 7th floor? What do you mean a code appears?
Alright, watch. Ready? Watch that side. Watch that side. Watch that side. Watch this. Ready? Watch. Ready?
2680. Oh, okay.
What's that? You fucked it up. Also, I really don't like this code. That sticky note, I don't like it at all if you read it.
They went missing on the way down. 7.
2680. Two, 6, 8, 0. Mole, mole. It's a lot of keys. Not that hard, Andrew. Why is it mop?
Holy moly. Any idea?
I mean, we got red letters to move.
Wait, follow your dreams, Donald Crane. Holy moly.
2 key. What is that? Key part.
Dude, don't look up in the ceiling right now.
Oh. I found a token. I just wanted to share. What? Why are they flashing? Oh. Okay. You're making things happen up there.
No, I'm not. Oh, I am. What? What?
Yeah, can you hit the red ones? Or are those like perma? Oh, draw the Omega, you frickin' dingleberry.
No,
So
do you
draw the
just no? You only want the Omegas, bro. Literally, you freaking unk. But they don't. You only want the Omegas.
Okay.
But
So
they
you
don't.
want-
But they don't correlate. No, wait. Put that one back. Yeah, we want that one. Keep that one. No, stop.
None on the second, right?
Wait.
Oh, we got it. You only want the Omega, that's what you said. So that's the only one lit up. Why are you turning them all back on?
Okay.
Didn't you say you only want the Omegas?
Yeah.
Fucking Schnageldorf? Okay, then shut up. Is it? Yeah? Last one, don't fuck it up. Oh. I got the other, sorry. Okay.
What's the last floor we gotta hit?
7.
It's gotta be like Braille. Maybe it was a Braille moment.
Ew.
Oh wait, what is
Now
the
I got
code
a
again?
-1.
Oh wait, it's literally look.
It's 2687.
Chill out.
Wait, maybe we already did that. No, you haven't done this one.
It's Braille. Look at
Okay,
it.
what's that Braille number? Why is it red? I think we already did the stairwell one, right?
What is this one? 6th floor. We
Six
did.
is Scoopity. We did 6 for sure.
We did 4.
Oh, so this was the one with the code. Okay, so we did the outside stairwell one.
And we did. What is 0?
You know, 7 blank 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 -1.
642. Six, 4, 2. Fuck. Wait. Watch this. Watch this. Wait a minute. That's not what I meant. Watch this. Watch this. Bro, where the 5th floor at? Where the 3rd?
What? Oh, was there something supposed to happen? Sorry.
We already did 2.
We did.
So what haven't we done yet?
To 7. We have done 7 and 0.
0. What do they mean by this? They went missing on the way down. Oh, it's the floors that are missing. 5, 3, 1.
Okay, did we do 7 then? I can put it together. Bunch of bees. Bunch of bees. Didn't even find that token. I didn't tell you where it was.
It's on the door. No. Wait. Sorry, I need the puzzle piece. Wait, which one didn't we do?
The top one.
Oh, okay. Good thing I didn't hit the bottom one. Which one did I hit? Guess you never know.
Oh, yeah. Also, this is just an insane.
This is how
Insane room.
This is how I get home every day.
Okay, what are these numbers? They're weird. They're strange.
Look, this is the first one. Look, see how 7 has that L in it? So the first one is set.
You're smoking a double joint if you think that is correct.
No, that's floor. No, it means floor. It literally means floor. That L means a floor. Not jorking you. Because look, it comes before all the numbers. So it's 6, 7, 4. Oh my god, I'm freaking amazing.
Oh, what? 6? Oh, I see it. I see it.
I only know that because I like... Because I looked up like Braille one time.
Oh, yeah. Alright, can you put that together, please? I bet it fits. Oh, yeah, it fits into this slot for -1, I think.
Okay.
Where's the centerpiece? Yeah? That's pretty neat. We gotta put the thing together. You gotta click and drag. You gotta play the click and drag game called Click and Drag.
Oh my god, I freaking love
Can you
the
play
click.
that game? Can I watch you play Click and Drag Simulator? Holy moly.
Ole mole.
How do you, yeah, there you go. Where'd it go?
wonder- Maybe it goes up here. Oh, it's not letting me. Can you do
So
it?
I could
Can
like
you...
take it.
Yeah, wait. Could we have actually beat it if we weren't dumb?
You got this. -1, baby.
Holy moly. Is there another puzzle? Or is this just
I
it?
hope not.
I hope
this
there
is definitely
is.
the last puzzle thing.
No, we're just out of here. Yeah, how many floors down we going?
Go to hell, man.
Yeah!